Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup. So if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are gonna test some new products, the Anastasia cream bronzer, the Huda Beauty powder, the Natasha Denona eyeshadow base, and the lip pencil, and the Too Faced Killer liner. So if you want to see that, please keep on watching. Hi guys, so in today's video we are gonna do a get ready with me. Sephora is having a 20% off sale and I bought some things, so we're gonna talk about them and test them and see what I think. So first let's apply a bit of primer. I'm using the Rare Beauty one. Yeah, so I bought just some things that I really wanted and I think the sale is great. In here we don't have the VIB sale, but this one is the equivalent. But I think everybody that has a card at Sephora is having 20% off, which is amazing. I will use some project pen items as well. If you didn't see my last update, I will link it down below. I really like project penning and I hope I'll do more progress. So now I'm using the MAC Waterweight foundation and I'm blending a bit with my finger. So this combo is looking beautiful and glowy. I just really enjoy it. And what I learned is this foundation, the MAC Waterweight and the Ordinary, I just need to let this sink in very well and then maybe apply this with a brush, and in that way I found that they work okay together. So let me tell you what I bought. I bought the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Fixing Powder. I bought the Natasha Denona eyeshadow base, very excited to use this. I bought a killer liner from Too Faced, this shade is Caramel. Then I bought the Natasha Denona, I need the nude lip crayon in Ilona, is the shade. And then I went to the Anastasia Beverly Hills shop in our city and I bought the cream bronzer in Golden Tan. Very excited to use this. I hope it's not too dark for me. Sometimes I'm just questioning my own decisions. I went in the store to swatch the shades and to see how they look, and I still got a shade that might be too dark. Why? So let's apply the bronzer. I will use a brush on this side and a sponge on this one to see how it's applied. So like I said, is the cream bronzer in the shade Golden Tan. And I'll pick just a bit and apply it in here to see if it's too dark or I don't know. Oh no, it looks fine. I think if I'm blending it, it will be perfect. And I need to assess the situation. I'm wearing cat ears. So yeah, I like the application with the brush. Let's use the sponge. So it works beautiful with a sponge as well. It looks very natural and beautiful. I think I picked the right shade. So because of the sale, I thought maybe I could buy another Milk makeup stick bronzer because the packaging broke on that one, but I still have some on there and I thought maybe I could test another one, and I'm glad because this is better than buying backups. And this looks beautiful. Let's put a bit of NYX Born to Glow concealer under the eyes. This is the shade Vanilla. Okay, concealer is down. Let's apply the Huda powder. I bought this in the shade Sugar Cookie, is the translucent one. And it has this thing, and then you have the sifter with some product. Let's blend a bit the under eye to not set the creases, and just put my sponge in here and apply a bit under the eye. This have a smell, but it's not too strong, and I like how my under eye looks. They are very poreless and it really helped. And I like that this sifter is not letting a lot of powder coming out, so that's great. I'm just putting in here, and just a bit of powder will come out, and of course you can put it directly on the cap if you want. Then I'm taking this large brush and just dusting away any excess powder. I feel like the powder really blurred everything, and yeah, it looks great. So let's apply a bit of blush right now. I'm using the Project Pen one, is the MAC Sweet Enough blush. And with this Real Techniques brush is a duo fiber face brush. I will take a bit of the NYX High Gloss powder and just dust some on the high points. Then I'm using the Becca highlighter, that's as well in the Project Pen. Let me do my brows and I will be right back. Okay, brows are done. What I really want to do right now is applying more cream bronzer. Is this... it will be too much? Possibly. I will apply it anyway. Sure. So I'm using the brush. I want to apply with the brush because I want to be just a tiny bit more precise. And I'm putting just a tiny bit in here. I really been enjoying this brush. Is the beige number 5 from the Crystal Zodiac collection, and it has a very beautiful handle, and it's just amazing for blending cream products. I really like it. I feel like it looks very healthy and just beautiful. Let's do the lips. I really wanted to try this Natasha Denona lip pencil, and yeah, I bought the shade Ilona, and it's just beautiful. It's a pencil that you are sharpening yourself, and I love this kind of pencil, so let's apply this one. This is a beautiful color. I really like it. And a quick story, I got this product yesterday. I went to the Sephora store, and I swatched these pencils and these ones from the Too Faced, and I got back home and I still had the swatches on my hand, and they were really smudge proof, so I only could remove them with makeup removers, so no water, no anything else could remove them. So I think the lips are staying like this, and that's great. I want to apply on top the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, is the shade Cans. I really love this lip thingies, and I hope this is not too pink. So these are the lips. The NYX one is really pink, but I mix them together. Let's do the eyes right now, and I picked just the mini retro because we are using Natasha Denona eyeshadow base, so I need to use them both. So I'm very excited. I picked the shade 01 Light Beige. It has this tiny applicator, and let's see. I'm using this flat brush to blend it out, and I love that it has some pigment. It's very easy to blend. I will blend a bit with the sponge as well. Just take away any excess. And the lids are looking like this. Very easy to blend out. Let's put some shadows on top. I'm gonna start with this fluffy brush, is the Eva 227, and this middle shade. I don't want to do a very intense look. This will be the darkest color, of course, but I'm not gonna build it too much because I really want to use the Too Faced liners as well. And I think I will do a comparison between this Natasha Denona eyeshadow base and the new NYX Ultimate shadow base. Even though I don't think that one could be dupe for this one, because I'm taking a small smudger brush, because that one I don't think it has any pigment, so it will not cancel everything out like this one, but I still want to do a video and compare them. Next, I'm taking this Rubloff brush and I will apply the matte nude shade in here, and I will blend out just the edges and put this into the crease. I'm taking just a bit more of the green, me saying that I'm not gonna build up this too much, but I'm still doing it. Taking a pencil brush and the NYX eyeglass. Of course, I'm putting it on the brow bone. I always do this when I'm using the eyeglass on the face as well. It's just a perfect highlight in the brow bone. Now I'll apply just a bit of the glitter primer, just with my finger in here. Why I'm like this? I could have applied the Natasha Denona primer and do a cut crease. I'm mad. Anyway, let's apply some shadow. I'm gonna use this gold beautiful shade. Put it in here. And we have something like this. Just beautiful. Let's apply the killer liner from Too Faced right now. It's the shade Caramel. I will do a wing as well with this. Okay, so I applied the killer liner and I did the wing and I applied on the waterline as well. And I love it. It's very warm and very beautiful. The next shade was too dark in my opinion, was almost black, and I wanted a real brown, and this very warm brown is really what I was looking for. So I'm glad, and it did apply very well on the waterline as well. I applied the Lash Princess from Essence, and on top I put the Ardell accent in 318. So I really love everything. My skin is looking beautiful, and today I don't know, I love my brows as well. I put some pink as well, this shade, because I wanted to work better with the lips. So I think everything worked beautifully. The powder is very blurring and my skin looks amazing. The bronzer did really impress me. I thought I got the wrong shade, but it's just beautiful on the skin and it's blending very easily, so I don't have to worry about the shade. The eyeshadow base, it looked great, and the shadows blend very easily on top. Of course, I tested with Natasha Denona eyeshadows as well, but I like it so far. I will see if the shades are staying put a long time. I will test it out with other shades as well. And the lip pencil, I really like it. I can use it alone, I think. So if you like the video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.